2 men have been charged for the murder of school teacher Natalie Dawkins. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the crime portfolio, Fitz Bailey, said the men were charged on Tuesday the 13th of April.
On the 31st of March 2021, Miss Natalie Dawkins, 44 years old, teacher of Denby Crawl, Clarendon, was reported missing. The police, having received the report, commenced a missing persons investigation. During the investigation, the police concluded that Ms. Dawkins was robbed of her car and other properties and was abducted. On the 3rd of April 2021, the police, acting on information, went to Bella's Gate in St. Catherine, where they were confronted by Jeffrey Bedwards, who was in possession of Ms. Dawkins' motor car. During a confrontation with the police, Jeffrey Bedwards, OC Waterlord, was fatally shot and a firearm recovered as well as Ms. Dawkins' Toyota Wish motor car. On the 8th of April 2021, the skeletal remains of a female along with other items of clothing were found in bushes in Green Park, Sandy Bay. We believe that that body is the body of Miss Dawkins. Coming out of the investigation, the police arrested and charged Eladio Goldburn, OC LJ and Shortman, 20 years old, laborer of Sandy Bay District, and Marlio Edley, OC Marlio, 19 years old, laborer of Palmer's Cross District, Clarendon. Both persons were jointly charged with murder, burglary, robbery with aggravation, abduction, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, and unauthorized access to identity information. The matter will be placed before court shortly. It is to be noted that several items that were stolen from Miss Dawkins were recovered by the police. Among the items recovered was her ATM card, and we have identified valuable evidence to indicate that $60,000 were withdrawn via the ATM machine by the two accused who were charged. Investigation continues, and I must say that we have a very strong case against both accused who actually confessed to the killing of Miss Dawkins.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!